Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove card from Spotify. Let's get started. First, visit spotify.com using a web browser. Log into your account. Then click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select account from the drop-down menu. On the account overview page, scroll down and find the Your Plan section. Click on Update, then next to the payment method. Then you'll be redirected to the payment management page. Look for the saved card details under saved payment method. Click the remove or delete button next to the card you want to remove. Once removed, Spotify will no longer charge that card. If you want to switch card, you can also add a new card on the same page before removing the old one. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.